Welcome to an explainer video for the MyTaxio app service. Ladies and gentlemen, MyTaxio service is a next-generation taxi ordering service that allows you to book, track and relax in your taxi. As you can see, we have two phones with a customer app on one and a driver app on the other, both downloaded from the store. The applications have been designed to run on the older versions of phones, so there is no expensive hardware needed. To hail a taxi as a customer, you simply do the following. 1. Press the request button. 2. You can either use the microphone or press and hold the pointer and select from the map your destination. I will use the voice recognition method of ordering by saying train station Barrow-in-Furness, followed by yes. 3. Next, choose from the schedule drop-down. I will select now. 4. Then simply press make request button. 5. An estimated price for the journey will be displayed. 6. Then press Make Request and your request will be sent to all nearby drivers signed up to the MyTaxio service, with the closest to the customer getting the fare. Moving on to the driver. 1. The request for a taxi will appear on the dashboard of the driver app on their phone with an audio alert. 2. Once the driver has accepted the fare, a message will automatically be sent to the passenger showing the driver's details before they arrive to collect the customer. 3. The customer can then track the taxi to their collection point by selecting View Map. 4. Once the driver arrives at the customer, an audio alert is sent to the customer and then the customer gets inside the taxi. The fare will be displayed on the taxi smart meter during the journey. 5. Upon completion of the trip, the customer pays the amount displayed on the smart taxi meter directly to the driver. The customer will be prompted to provide feedback on their taxi ride experience. In conclusion, if you follow these simple steps using these apps, you as a customer can look forward to the following benefits. 1. Discounted taxi rides. 2. Larger choice of taxis to choose from during rush hour. 3. Know who your driver is before they collect you. 4. Enroll into our loyalty reward program. If you are a driver watching this video, the news is even better, as you can look forward to 1. Zero setup fee for a limited time. 2. Save significant weekly operator fees. 3. Be up and running within no time. 4. Earn additional revenue from our loyalty program. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe by pressing the usual buttons. See you next time for more tips of using the MyTaxio service. Thanks for watching.